Elite for Dynamite 250 1 week from tonight.
And poor Brandon Cutler, huh?
Well, my heart breaks for him.
There's a fine coming, but right now, enough of that. Kickstart my heart.
Oh, Mariah May, the protege, the understudy, so to speak, of Timeless Toni Storm, the AEW Women's World Champion, who has had the unwavering support of the champion. Mariah now with a chance to go on to Wembley Stadium, all in London, Sunday, August 25th, and challenge Toni Storm for that title.
Is there a better example, oh my God, is there a better example of love in our species than Mariah May and Toni Storm? Their love affair has been nothing short of magnificent. In the latest installment of the Forbidden Door, we witnessed one of the greatest scenes in pro wrestling history.
What? Well, we witnessed one of the greatest scenes of pro wrestling history earlier tonight when Bryan Danielson won the men's tournament.
Let's pay attention to this match, be a professional.
Well, Willow Nightingale, wow, you saw Mariah May with the pink attire, well, Willow Nightingale with the black and yellow caution attire, another nod to the late great Owen Hart. And Willow Nightingale, she wants to move on to Wembley Stadium. She wants to challenge Timeless Toni Storm on Sunday, August 25th for the AEW Women's World Championship. And you still can join us. You can see Willow or Mariah versus Toni Storm. You can see Swerve and Bryan Danielson live, all in London. LiveNation.co.uk, Ticketmaster.co.uk. And who will be the winner of the Owen Hart Foundation Women's Tournament? We will find out right now. Let's head down to the ring in the Dapper Yapper, Justin Roberts.
Calgary, Alberta! Your main event tonight, set for one fall, is the Owen Hart Foundation Women's Tournament Final Match. Introducing first, being accompanied by Luther and Toni Storm. From London, England, Mariah May! And her opponent, from Long Island, New York, Willow Nightingale!
Got some great news. Been told we haven't overrun the night. We're going to stay with this match as long as it takes to find a winner. Now, Mariah wins. She will face Toni Storm. How about that for a story?
Willow Nightingale.
Indeed.
How about the story about Willow Nightingale being the first ever repeat winner of the Owen Hart Foundation Women's Tournament? She can certainly do that. She proved 1 year ago she could do it tonight in Calgary, in the birthplace, the hometown of Owen Hart and the Owen Hart Foundation. And fans, to learn more about the mission and the message of the Owen Hart Foundation, you can visit owenhartfoundation.org.
No question, this is going to be a great matchup. The babe with the power versus the chick with the champ. You see Mariah May continuing her Oscar-worthy portrayal of Toni Storm's previous life, heavily inspired by Motley Crue, which kind of makes sense because she is a real live wire.
I thought you were going to say because with Luther, they are Motley Crue.
Well, no, she does have looks that kill.
Oh, jeez.
And a killer wild side. I could keep going if you don't stop me, boys.
No, please keep going. Please go.
No, please stop.
No, I think he's run out of material.
No, it's the same old situation, and hopefully we won't find a smoking in the boys' room.
The full Nelson locked in on Mariah May. Mariah looking for the rope break, but Willow, there's that power coming into play, Nigel.
Yep,
oh, looking for
the babe with the bomb. Looking for the babe with the power bomb right there, and smart move.
Yeah, Willow looking for her version of the Dr. Bomb. Mariah May wise to avoid it.
If Willow wins, of course, you mentioned she'll become a first two-time women's champion in the Owen Hart Foundation tournament. But she also has a chance to be the CMLL Women's World Champion.
Not right. This could be the start of a huge week for Willow. She'll be competing for that title coming up this weekend. New Japan Strong event in California. But right now, Willow, her attention on her opponent, punishing Mariah May with that knife-edge chop.
I don't know about chin up, tits out, not after that.
Well, Mariah elevates over Willow, but Mariah running to the babe with the power there. And Willow, she said it two-time. What a feather in the cap that would be for Willow Nightingale. But Mariah.
Yeah, simple leg trip that time. Nicely done.
Mariah really loads up with that drop kick and unleashes those long legs, the heels of their boot, into the chest of her opponent.
She's been so impressive as a wrestler. I know, Nigel, you're in love with her. You slobber all over all the time.
What are you talking about? I am impressed with her ability as a wrestler, bell to bell.
Well, reversal there by Mariah. And now looking for the Tijeras as Willow staggered into the ropes, got hung up on the center strand. And Mariah May now with Willow. Arms over the top, and oh, just a rabbit punch to the back of the head.
She's a hard hitter.
And a drop kick to the spine as Mariah May, now the cover, the leg hook. Willow kicking out at 1. And fans, remember, coming up this Saturday night, Collision, 8/7 Central on TNT, the Alpha, Konosuke Takeshita versus the Dynamite Kid, Tommy Billington, part of a huge 2 hours coming up this Saturday night on TNT. And then remember, Dynamite 250, 1 week from tonight, Will Ospreay beginning the program next week, defending the AEW International Championship against MJF. As Willow drops down, and look at this, the cover. And how about this, made official champion versus champion, Swerve Strickland, Kazuchika Okada. Look at that, the Willow, the crossbody. A huge match.
My God.
Swerve and Okada. Man, that is massive, but Willow Nightingale.
That's a stunner, man.
Scoop and a slam, and remember, 2 weeks from tonight, it is Blood and Guts, Swerve Strickland, Mark Briscoe representing Team AEW, and it is official. Hangman Adam Page has joined Team Elite for Blood and Guts 2 weeks from tonight, live in Nashville.
Still 2 more members to go for Nashville as well at Blood and Guts for Team AEW.
3 more members.
3 more members.
Magic really isn't there, Tony. Let's be
But
honest.
right now, Willow Nightingale has Mariah May on the outside. Willow Nightingale, now the cannonball. Mariah May goes down. Willow Nightingale looking to make it a repeat as this match, this final round match, continues in picture.
Gentlemen, those 2 ladies were perilously close to the steel steps that time. You notice that?
But look at Tony Storm with the shoe in hand. Could be thinking that Mariah May is in danger.
Yeah. Well, you know.
Certainly in danger.
Well, the cover, 2, and Mariah able to kick out.
Remember when Mariah wanted to throw the white towel in for Tony? Do you remember that? Luther got blamed for it. Luther just in the wrong place, the wrong time, man.
It's the story of his life.
I think it is.
As Willow Nightingale, the scoop and the slam. As Willow sits out with the senton. And now Willow looking for the cover. As Mariah able to kick out. Nigel, when Willow, when she does that somersault, that cannonball off the apron, I mean, she's sacrificing her lower body, her hips, to inflict punishment on her opponent, but it's impressive that she still was able to follow up with that senton.
Yeah, it's certainly a risk, and it certainly depends on how you land. So you are putting your body at risk, certainly, but sometimes you've got to do that.
As Willow floats over, near leg hooked as Mariah able to kick out. Referee Stefan Smith right there, eyes on the call.
Certainly Nightingale, hard not to like her, very amiable,
Yes.
charismatic
Absolutely.
competitor. But, you know, since losing the TBS title, she has been focused somewhat with her former friend Chris Statlander.
Yeah, that was a bad wave for the young lady Willow, but I'm glad to see her back. I'm glad to see her bring her smile back.
Come on, watch out.
Oh, Russian leg sweep.
Now Willow has Mariah May grounded. And Willow, again, her strength coming into play as she's hammering down with her calf on the face of Mariah.
Mariah can drive with her legs, maybe get a pinfall attempt, but instead look at those long, rangy legs of Mariah May, pulling her to the bottom rope.
You never stop looking at her, Nigel.
It's hard not to. I'm mad about Miss May.
Like I said, slobber, slobber, slobber.
As Willow elevating Mariah in the corner. Dangerous territory for both competitors. We are live tonight, our Dynamite main event, the final round match of the Owen Hart Foundation Women's Tournament. Who will go on to All in London? Who will challenge for the AEW Women's World Championship at Wembley Stadium? Will it be Mariah May or Willow Nightingale? We are on the verge of finding out as we saw the AEW Women's World Champion, Timeless Toni Storm, nervously looking on. Luther looming large over her shoulder, but right now this could be a hip attack by Mariah!
God, Willow got the hands up, it still didn't help.
And the DDT, Mariah May. Is this her chance to Willow? Able to kick out.
Willow is a great story in AEW. She started in 2021, was 0-10. She's now gone on to have 51 AEW wins. She can win the Owen for the second straight year. What a story.
But what about the story of Mariah May wrestling in only her 20th AEW match and already on the doorstep of challenging for the AEW Women's World Championship?
She's got to get out of that corner, though, I can tell you that.
What a night that would be if Mariah May... Oh, hold on.
Spinebuster, the high stack by Willow. Mariah able to kick out.
Can you imagine a spectacle beyond imagination? May Storm at Wembley Stadium, but she's got to get by the Babe with the power.
As Willow Nightingale stepping through the sharpshooter, she took a moment to absorb the scene here in Calgary, and that allowed Mariah an opportunity to fight her way out.
I think Toni Storm would like to see it. She loves Mariah so much. She wants Mariah to face her.
Yeah, Toni Storm has been Mariah's most ardent supporter. Toni Storm has had Mariah's back the entire way through this tournament, and now the suplex. As you see Toni urging on Mariah, and Mariah the uppercut in the corner.
Toni Storm, the excellence of elocution, calling out to her bon vivant.
Mariah, the hammer throw reversed. Willow, no. Uppercut again connects by Mariah.
There she goes, those hard slugs from Mariah, one of the hardest hitters in the women's division, no doubt.
Mariah May on her path to this final round match, defeating two former AEW Women's World Champions in Saraya and Hikaru Shida. And now, with a chance to defeat the 2023 tournament winner, Willow Nightingale, the Hurricane Rana, Mariah to Willow.
Oh.
Able to kick out.
Take a lot more than that to keep Willow down. I think we all know that. Mariah kind of getting frustrated now.
Cannot
focus.
Mariah cannot afford to get frustrated or flustered. Willow has been in this situation before 1 year ago. As Mariah sizing up. Willow, oh, the knee strike avoided. Willow, the roll up. No, not the roll up. Instead, counters. Willow Nightingale, a fisherman's bomb to Mariah, kicking the legs and able to kick out.
Oh, barely, barely.
She's still in this.
As Mariah, though, finds her feet, swing and a miss. Willow sends Mariah, and the no! The headbutt by Mariah. Right time, right place. Wow.
Watch here, first the power of the Babe with the power. The quick kick out. You can see Mariah May had all the pace. Needed it to take down.
What is this? Some of the Sting sweatshirt on.
Toni Storm. What is happening here?
This chaos.
Oh, Chris Statlander. Oh, Stokely. Stokely. Good God. Little snitch. Stokely Hathaway.
The official didn't see it. He was having a discussion with Toni Storm, I think.
Timeless Toni Storm. Perhaps providing the intervention that Mariah May needed, and Chris Statlander providing the kick to the head that Mariah May needed.
Oh, that'll do it.
The knee strike. No, Willow. Willow is still in this.
Obviously, Stokely and Stat were pissed off about what happened in the semifinals.
A split second away from a dream come true.
And now Mariah looking for Mayday on Willow. Can she get her up? Nope. The leg trap, the roll through. This actually beat Cheetah too. No, again, Willow able to escape.
So close. Don't forget, we're going to stay with this long.
As time is Toni Storm. I couldn't hear what she said, but she maybe imparting some words of advice to lariat there from Willow. 1, 2, no!
We're going to stay with this, of course, past the top of the hour, if need be. Willow looking pretty good right now.
But Willow, she lands that Dr. Bombay with the power bomb. That could be curtains for Mariah May. No, Willow, the straps are down. Willow thinking cannonball in the corner. Cannonball indeed!
That's going to be it, Nigel.
Willow, the fireman's carry. Center of the ring.
Not like this.
Death Valley, no. Instead, reversal. Mariah. 1, 2, 3.
The winner of this match and the winner of the Owen Hart Foundation Women's Tournament, Mariah May.
What a match, man, what a match.
What a moment!
Willow Nightingale and her quest for a repeat denied by the 2024 Owen Hart Foundation Tournament winner, Mariah May, who we now know will face her mentor, timeless Toni Storm, for the AEW Women's World Championship Sunday, August 25th, all in London.
The London native, Mariah May, going home to Wembley on the 25th.
The love affair of our age. I'm mad about Miss May.
And Nigel, I think the only person happier than you and Mariah May is timeless Toni Storm. Look at her, she's skipping
Let
up
me
the ramp.
sing. I know it's stupid to be mad about Miss May. I'm so ashamed of it. But
Oh my God!
What the hell?
What the-
She hit her in the head with the damn belt.
She bashed Luther with it. What the hell is wrong with Mariah May?
She has snapped.
Has she snapped or has she been planning this all along?
This is her mentor.
Oh my God! Oh, but Toni Storm's been busted open. Mariah May just wreaking havoc. Oh God, Luther! Luther sent sprawling Toni Storm. A bloody mess, and Mariah May, the cause of it all.
Nigel, what are you going to say about this, for God's sake? What about this woman? Oh, my God, watch for the shoe.
Oh, no. Oh, my God.
Somebody needs to stop this woman.
Was this her plan all along? Looking for the first opportunity to betray Toni Storm.
She shut down Aubrey Edwards.
there's no control in her.
Mariah May. What?